Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install and use AnyDesk on your Windows 11 operating system. So using AnyDesk you can view any other monitor. For example, you want to see the desktop of your friend's Windows operating system or some other Windows operating system. You can just monitor and control this window from your AnyDesk. So it's generally for remote viewing, right? So in order to install AnyDesk, you can just open your favorite browser and search for AnyDesk, and the first link which will appear here will be from anydesk.com. So I'm going to just click on this first link, and once this website opens, you will be able to see this download button at the top also, and here also. So you can click any button. I'm going to click on this red button which says download now, which is going to start the download of this AnyDesk exe file. So you can see this exe file is really small, so it will be downloaded really fast. And once AnyDesk exe file is downloaded, just click on this exe file, and then I'm going to minimize the browser, and you can see AnyDesk has been started on your Windows 11 operating system. So it's that easy to download and install AnyDesk on your Windows 11 operating system. Now here you will be able to see some things, right? So it says this desk. This means that this number you can provide to anybody, and if he has this number, he will be able to connect to your Windows 11 operating system, and he will be able to view your desktop here and even control your desktop, right? Now from the remote desk section, you can provide here a number like this. So if your friend provides his AnyDesk number to you, you can just give that number here and then click on connect, and you will be able to view his desktop or his screen on your Windows 11 operating system using AnyDesk. So let's try to connect to some other screen. So I have AnyDesk installed on my different device, so I'm going to provide the address of that device. So you just need to go to the other computer and then just copy the number which is given on this desk, right? So I'm going to provide that number, and once you provide that number, just click on connect option, which is going to show you this kind of window. Just click on allow access here, and once you click on allow access, it's going to say connecting. And on your friend's AnyDesk, which is on the other computer, you will be able to see the message where it's going to say that somebody wants to connect to your computer or your tablet or your phone. So there you need to allow this. Okay, so I'm going to just accept on my other tablet where I'm using AnyDesk, and when I accept there, and when I just click on start broadcast on the other device, I will be able to see the other screen on my Windows 11 operating system. So now you can see this screen is visible on my tablet which I'm using. So you can see this is the tablet I'm using, and I can see this tablet screen on my Windows 11 operating system using AnyDesk. Okay, so this is my iPad, and I can see this on my Windows 11 operating system using the AnyDesk. You can see this AnyDesk is also installed on my tablet also. That's why I can share my tablet screen on my Windows 11 operating system using AnyDesk. Now one more thing you will be able to see on the top here. So here you will be able to see the new sessions, and there is one more tab here which is called installation, and this is going to install AnyDesk permanently on your Windows 11 operating system. So here you can leave everything as default, which is going to create the start menu shortcut and create a desktop icon, and also it's going to install the AnyDesk printer driver on your Windows 11 operating system. If you want to get the updates automatically, you can choose this radio button here. Otherwise, I generally don't want to update automatically, so I just choose this disable auto update option and then click on accept and install button, which is going to install the AnyDesk on your Windows 11 operating system. So just click on yes here, and now you will be able to see this browser window where it says welcome to AnyDesk. Also, it's going to create a desktop shortcut icon on your Windows 11 desktop, and also you can install the printer driver by just clicking on the install button, which is going to install the printer driver for AnyDesk. So now you can start AnyDesk from this desktop icon, or you can just click on this Windows start icon and you will be able to see this AnyDesk icon here also. So this is how you can install and run and use AnyDesk on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.